Hello people, this is my 10th and my last video of today, and this is my 55th video of on my YouTube channel. So yes, in this video I'm going to drink this and I'm going to give you a loud big burp. I can do it, so yeah. Look forward to this. So yeah. So here's my booze, my pop. I will open it. And cheers. I'll finish all. That's a big burp. So yeah, I'll finish this. It's all gone. Oh shit. I just spilled some. Never mind. It will dry out. So yeah, that's my video of today, and I will see you all tomorrow. And I will doing. I'm going to make 11 videos tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Bye, people.